Hi guys, today we have the Redmi Note 4 with us. So in this video, let's unbox it. Opening up the box, we have the Redmi Note 4 itself. Looks and feels kinda familiar to the Redmi Note 3, but definitely feels much premium. We then have some paperwork. Underneath that, we have a 2 ampere charger and a micro USB cable. The Redmi Note 4 still uses the micro USB, and we also have the SIM ejector tool. So let's get back to the Redmi Note 4 and take a closer look at the build and design. So at the front we have the 2.5D glass, at left we have the SIM tray slot, at top we have an IR blaster, a 3.5mm headphone jack and a secondary mic. At the right side we got the power and volume up and down buttons, and at the bottom we have a speaker grill, a micro USB port and a mic. So let's boot it up first and then we will look into the camera department. In the camera app, the shutter response and focus time seems fast. And here are some samples I shot with the Redmi Note 4. So that's it for this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it and also subscribe to the channel for more fun stuff.